Hello guys, so that's Keyapp, and today we will discuss how to set keyword promotion campaign for Android application at our platform. As we have already talked in many videos before, the first step is to create an account just with an email at our platform, and it is completely for free. After you log into an account, you need to add an application in My App section. So just check our previous videos to get more details, as basically only the direct link to application is needed to get it on the platform. Today we will talk more precisely about order section, where you may see add order and add campaign. So we will discuss the difference between different types of orders. So let's go to add order firstly. As you may see, here is the typical block for our platform, where you need to choose Store, Google Play or App Store, choose Application, and that's already needed to choose an country you would like to promote your application in. For example, in our case, let it be Australia. The next point is to choose the amount of days. The minimum amount of days for the campaign at our platform, 1, and the maximum amount of days, 14, so 2 weeks. The next step, you need to put an amount of installs, and in add order section, the amount of installs will be split between the amount of days proportionally. So if you set, for example, 240 installs, they will be divided for 14 days, and it means that the app will get 18 installs daily. The next step is to choose keyword. For example, how to draw. Here you can also add keywords already or just added keywords, and this button will go to my keyword section. The next is promotion rule, where you can choose when to stop a campaign. Let's imagine that you would like to stop a campaign when the app achieves top 3 for the keyword how to draw. So just put that the campaign needed to be stopped between 1 and 3 rank. The next section is rates and reviews, but they are without guarantee. Reviews with guarantee you can find already in the section Add High Quality Reviews. We provide 30 days guarantee, but this will be discussed in next videos. The next is installs delivery type. Actually, this function is available only for the United States. So you can choose for the United States to spread installs for 24 hours or to deliver them within the short period of time. Here you may see that the price with the bonus applied, as we provide a 50% discount for the first Android install order at our platform. And here you can already start promotion or save the campaign as draft to start it later. The next section we would like to discuss is add new campaign section. Actually, it looks like add order, but there are differences. Here you should choose as well region, country, application and store. Choose the amount of days, for example, 5. And here the difference is that in campaign you can put already several keywords to be promoted, as it is known that for Android application it is better to promote keywords of one semantic group together. For example, let's choose Australia. We choose one keyword, the next one, and the next one. So all these keywords will be promoted together in one campaign. One more peculiarity is that in add campaign section, you can set a precise amount of installs for each day, for each keyword. For example, let's talk about how to draw. You decided that the first day the app should receive 25 installs, and you can change an amount for the second, third, and each next day of campaign. So first day, 25 installs. Second day, 35. Third day, for example, 50 installs. Here, you can also apply advanced campaign mode to promote different keywords during different days. For example, the first day you would like to promote this set of keywords, the next day you would like already set another keywords, but within one order. And here are the same details as in add order section. So just contact our support team to get more details.